Pine Mountain State Resort Park is located in Pineville, Kentucky. That's in the southern part of the state, about 2 hours south of Lexington and about an hour 45 north of Knoxville. This is Kentucky's first state park, established in 1924. It is free to get in, and some fun things to do here are birding. There's 12 miles of hiking trails. There's an 18-hole golf course. There's a mini golf, and there is a resort lodge here, which has 30 rooms. All of the rooms overlook the beautiful mountains, and they also have 11 two-bedroom cottages and 9 one-bedroom cottage. And in the resort, they also have a restaurant, which we'll show you in a minute. If you're new to our channel, or if you've been around a while, you know we love hiking as a family. So the first thing we did was a 1.5 mile hike to Honeymoon Falls. It is the highest waterfall in the park. Wow, it's so cool. All frozen at the bottom. Please be careful. Keep in mind, we went December 31st, 2022 in the winter, so there's ice on the ground. It was a bit rainy and drizzly that day, and being in winter, there wasn't as many leaves on the trees. So I bet you in the spring, summer, and the fall foliage here, I bet it's so beautiful.
This is a really cool waterfall, isn't it? Yeah, Dad, but turn out right like that. I know, yeah, it's the second largest. But that's fine. Let's do large. It's so big. We love to eat it.
Being at this park, there's so many beautiful views of the mountains of the Cumberland Plateau. Another popular thing to see at this park is the chained rock. The trail is 1 mile total, half mile there, half mile back, and it has a really neat story. In 1933, the current chain that you see was placed on this huge boulder that lingers over the city of Pineville below, in hopes that if it ever becomes loose, this chain will hold it and keep it from falling on the town below. This is a massive chain. Do you think it would hold that boulder if it were to break off? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like these informative travel videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We did eat in their resort restaurant, but it was dark by the time we got there. I don't know why I didn't take any pictures, but this picture is from their website. And also their menu I posted. They have really yummy food, a lot of southern dishes, Kentucky dishes, and just honestly something for everyone. Pizza, burgers, chicken tenders, steak, and dessert. There was just plenty of food options, and it was all really good.